Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers with the Princess Double Basket Aerofryer. If you love crispy chicken legs and wings, along with some delicious chips, this might just be the perfect appliance for you, especially if you're on a budget. Air fryers have gained immense popularity lately, and we've covered a lot about them on our channel. But how does the Princess Double Basket Aerofryer compare to the countless other models out there? Let's find out. The Princess Double Basket Aerofryer offers a unique advantage over single basket air fryers. With two separate baskets, you can cook two different sets of ingredients simultaneously. Imagine enjoying crispy chicken wings and chips together in no time. Plus, if you only need to cook one set of ingredients, you can still use both baskets for better airflow. It's a win-win situation. In terms of size, the Princess Double Basket Aerofryer is quite spacious, measuring 38 cm in width, 36 cm in depth, and 30 cm in height. However, keep in mind that it might require some extra storage space when not in use. In terms of appearance, it's not the most visually appealing kitchen appliance. With its shiny black plastic construction and a thin plastic front interface that looks a bit cheap. But don't judge it solely by its looks. Once you power it up, the interface comes to life, and it's actually quite user-friendly. You'll find the large silver embossed handles to access the two side-by-side baskets conveniently. The combined capacity of 8 liters is larger than many single basket models, allowing you to cook generous portions. The baskets are non-stick and come with raised tray inserts for optimal airflow and easy cleaning. Now, let's talk about the cooking experience. The Princess Aerofryer features a range of handy functions accessible through the easy-to-navigate interface. With the dual cook button, you can select each basket separately and choose from 7 preset programs like fries, fish, chicken, and more. The Sync Finish button ensures that both sets of ingredients finish cooking at the same time. In our tests, the Princess Double Basket Aerofryer delivered excellent results. Whether it was crispy chicken legs or flavorful wings, the skin turned out wonderfully crispy, and the meat remained moist. As for the fries, while they were not as perfect as those from a deep-fat fryer, they were far better than those cooked in an oven. The Princess Aerofryer provides a more energy-efficient alternative, saving you electricity without sacrificing taste. In conclusion, the Princess Double Basket Aerofryer offers a budget-friendly option for those who want to enjoy crispy chicken and delicious chips at the same time. Its spacious design, user-friendly interface, and efficient cooking capabilities make it a great addition to your kitchen. Just keep in mind that it might be too large for some kitchens and may not feed as many people as advertised. And that wraps up our review of the Princess Double Basket Aerofryer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.